Today we're doing hide and seek with my monster trucks. I have Max D, El Toro Loco, Yellow Edition El Toro Loco, and normal El Toro Loco. And I also have Mega Wax, and I also have Grave Digger. So we're going. Let's go, Dad. And also we also have someone who's going to also be here, and it is Daddy.
Hey, how y'all doing? I'm Kai's dad.
Yeah,
Y'all ready?
we're
Which
ready.
one can we hide first?
First, we have to hide all of them, and you have to find each of them at one time. Dad, stay in my room, and I'll go hide.
Okay.
Get all these, and close the door, and no cheating.
Alrighty.
Dad, can you come over here too, so you can give me the dinghy? Okay, this.
Keep recording or turn off?
I'm recording. No. Give me the phone. No, it's Dad. It's my turn. Tell me, don't talk. So here we go. Got all my monster trucks. And give me the phone. So guys, right now I'm gonna no, Dad, go away.
Okay.
Go in my room.
Alright.
Go in my room. I'm waiting for Dad to come. When Dad's in my room, so now I have the best spots in the world. First, I'm having Grave Digger. And here. No cheating. So now I'm hiding this one. Where should I hide these two? Perfect spot. Okay, guys, now we're gonna hide this one right. So, guys, I'm going inside. I'm gonna roll. Now we have one more to hide. One more to hide, and where should it go? Perfect spot. Perfect spot. Ready?
You ready?
Yeah?
I was just talking to the Narrative Brothers and Yoshi. Yoshi was telling me a secret. He said he knows what he had.
No, Yoshi, you don't know. Yoshi, stop using your teleport powers. Yoshi, I'm smacking you in the face for that.
Alright, come on. Alright, come on.
Can I show them the flipper flopper?
Let's go. Come on.
I'm showing them the flipper flopper. Let's see what the flipper flopper is.
What's the flipper flopper? Alright, come on.
Ready.
You silly.
Counting. No, Dad, let me get your iPad so I can set a timer. No, Dad, I'm telling you when to go. I'm going on clock. 3, 2, 1. Go. Give me the.
I gotta find him?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, I see one because it's sitting on top of it. I got one.
Got it.
One. Alrighty.
I try to find another one.
Alrighty.
The other ones are in a really good spot.
1, 2.
No. You can't find that. No, I didn't
What
put
are you trying
it.
to hide from? Dylan, you went over here, so let's go over here. Yep, there we go, 2. Are you filming me?
Yeah, he found 2.
Alright, 2. Why are you filming this? Has it got another one here? 3. You make it too easy for me. You filming where they are.
No,
Right?
I'm
I'll
giving.
just follow you around. You gonna show me where they at.
1 minute remained.
Oh, hold on, what's that there? I found another one. What is this? Okay, how many we had? 5?
5.
I got 4.
1 more. No, it's him time. It's him time.
Oh, I got it. All right, let's see how much time.
I'm running. It was
1 minute, 15 seconds. Good. All righty.
No.
Who you filming right now?
you. Hey. Now you.
Alrighty.
Now I'm gonna come over here and go in the living room. Sit. And
Buddy.
what?
What we filming, Black? We're not filming nothing.
I'm ready, Dad.
You ready?
3. Here, use this. Here, put the thingy. Here, I'm gonna hold it. So go set the timer and I'll hand it to
Well, hold on. Do I need to hide these?
you. Yeah, start here. Get it, Dad. No, here it is. Yeah. Okay.
Now I get to hide them?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna use one of his same places right here. Use one of his same places. And let's do this one. Let's do this one. All right, where else? Ooh, there's a good spot. Right here. I'll never find it. And let's make one easy one. Here's an easy one, out in the open. That's pretty easy. And let's do one in here. One right there. All right, come on. You ready? You ready?
Oh, I'm taking a nap. I'm taking a nap. Oh no, why not set the timer? Oh,
Set it, go.
I
All right. All right, 1. Let me hold it for you. That's 1. 2. 1, 2.
You can have it anywhere.
Huh? Oh, I did like you. I gave it away. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I know where it's going.
Uh-oh. This ain't good. This is not good. This isn't good. You don't see it?
Stay hot and cold.
Where is it at? You don't see it?
You have to stay hot and cold. Stay hot.
4.
No. And now do start.
You're going the wrong way. No. Not up there. You're done in there, boy. You can close them. You can close those.
And then here.
Kai. Where is it at?
Oh, right here.
Oh, all right, that's it.
One minute and
124. Very good.
let's-
All right. What's the conclusion?
The conclusion is that we do one more round. If I win this, I get 5 points.
All right. Well, we
If you win it, you get 5 points.
Okay.
This is the bonus round.
All right. Well, to be continued then.
Yeah.
To be continued. Say it.
To be continued.